Hey everyone, it's Howard here, and today I have with me the M27QX gaming monitor. This monitor was first announced at CES 2022, but now it's finally here with us. This is the latest addition to our M series product line, which all have the KVM feature. The M27QX is an upgrade to our popular M27Q monitor with improved refresh rates for true FPS enthusiasts. Let's see what's inside the box. Before we talk about the monitor, let's first talk about all the accessories that you'll be getting inside the box. Of course, we're gonna have the AC adapter. It does come separately than the power connectors because we actually include 3 different types in the box for different regions. There are also a few other cables that are included inside of the box as well. Of course, you're gonna get your HDMI cable as well as your display port. And we do have a USB Type A to Type B cable. Lastly, we have the warranty card as well as the installation guide for the monitor. One cool thing about this monitor is that the monitor arm is already pre-installed for you. And so all you have to do after you open the box is take out the monitor stand, attach that to the base of the arm, screw it in, and then you're good to go right there. We are going to be sporting a 1440p super speed IPS panel here with a 240 Hz refresh and 1 millisecond gray to gray. You're going to get great colors on this one as well with 10-bit color, 92% DCI-P3, and 140% sRGB. The M27QX also features the KVM function, and with one simple click of the KVM switch on the back, you're able to switch from multiple devices with one set of keyboard and mouse. Going over the ports, we do have 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, 1 DisplayPort 1.4, 1 USB Type-C, 2 USB 3.0s, and 1 USB Type-B, as well as an earphone jack to round it out. Lastly, let's talk about the ergonomics. This monitor provides the perfect viewing angle with height adjustment and tilt adjustments available, and it offers comfort when you're gaming for a long time with flicker-free display as well as low blue light protection. Alright guys, that's it for our quick unboxing of the M27QX gaming monitor. If you enjoy this content, please be sure to subscribe to the Aorus channel. If you like the M27QX, we'll leave a product link in the description below. Once again guys, my name is Howard and I will see you guys in the next one.